Right, so we've been scratching our head, clutch has been in a bugger. And make sure you got a little bit of that play there. Wind, well on this as such, mine's winded all the way in. And then on that one under there, that is there, so literally all the play I can give it, I can give it. It's a brand new YX140 engine. It's basically been sat with shipping oil in it in a factory for how long I don't know. I've seen all on YouTube. This is a common fault. It's happening to everybody. So make sure your clutch cable has got plenty of slack in it. Warm your bike up. Get it so the engine's nice and warm. Then turn the bike off. Put it in first and just keep rolling it forwards and back, forwards, back until you feel the back wheel gripping. At this point, you should, when pushing it forward and back, the back wheel will be physically locked. You cannot do it because obviously the clutch is fully engaged. After that, I literally put the clutch in, knocked it out of gear, started the bike up, and boom, it sorted it. So, for anyone having the same problem as these, I hope this video helps you. And yeah, have a look at channel for other videos. There's episodes on there at a minute. Building this fully up, we're going to go out on it soon as well. But yeah, buzzing, she's sorted. Get back.